Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into how to cancel your Gap credit card in 2025. Whether you're decluttering your wallet, switching to a better rewards program, or just tightening your budget, canceling a credit card can be a smart move. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this quickly and without any hassle. First things first, before you cancel, make sure you've checked your account. Log into your Gap credit card online portal or app to confirm there are no outstanding balances or pending transactions. If you owe anything, pay it off completely to avoid any fees or negative impacts on your credit score. This is crucial because canceling with a balance might lead to collection issues. Now, let's get to the main steps. Step 1. The easiest way is to call Gap's customer service. Their number is usually on the back of your card or on their website. When you call, have your card details ready, like your account number and personal info for verification. Politely explain that you want to cancel your card. Step 2. If you prefer not to call, you can do this online. Log into your account on the Gap website, navigate to the account settings or help section, and look for the option to close your account. Follow the prompts. It might ask you to confirm your decision and provide a reason. Step 3. For added security, send a written request. Write a letter to Gap's customer service address, stating your intent to cancel, and include your account number. Keep a copy for your records and send it via certified mail so you have proof of delivery. Once you've initiated the cancellation, Step 4. Confirm everything. Gap should send you a confirmation email or letter. Double-check that your account is closed and monitor your credit report in the next few months to ensure no unauthorized charges pop up. A few quick tips. If you have rewards or points, redeem them before canceling. Also, remember that canceling might affect your credit utilization ratio, so plan accordingly. And if you're unsure, consider speaking with a financial advisor. There you have it. That's how to cancel your Gap credit card in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.